Urbanization's excesses seem to stink in high heavens. With a population of more than 11 million residents, the small but terrible Metro Manila and its neighboring provinces produce around 25% of solid waste of the nationwide total. It means that every person living in the metropolis generates half a kilo of waste a day. Now that's a lot of waste to speak of. But only 73% of waste produced daily are collected by dump trucks. The remaining 27% of our daily waste end up in canals, vacant spaces, street corners, marketplaces, rivers, drainage systems, practically everywhere. At the rate we are producing waste, we will soon find ourselves buried in our own trash. We at Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation waste no time in finding solutions. Every day, 1,500 tons of waste are transported to the 100-hectare of engineered sanitary landfill located in Clark's Special Economic Zone, Clarkfield, Pampanga. The facility is called Clark Integrated Waste Management Facility, managed by Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation. It is the first and only engineered sanitary landfill in the Philippines, priding itself of being the first and only ISO 9000 Series of 2008 certified landfill in the whole of Asia.
The idea behind an engineered sanitary landfill is to provide the ability to have waste be disposed in a facility which will prevent the leachate, which is what you call the liquid that is generated by decaying organic garbage.
Located 80 kilometers north of Metro Manila, Clark Integrated Waste Management Facility is a waste disposal site designed, constructed, operated, and maintained in a manner proven to be environmentally safe and modern.
A proper engineered sanitary landfill is one where you find a relatively flat piece of land, and then you line that with several things: gravel, sand, fabric, and finally a high-density polyethylene sheet, which must be welded electronically because it will come in rows.
At Metro Clark, environmental protection means more than complying with laws. For years, Metro Clark has established a system for handling sanitary and industrial waste, using recycling, composting, and sanitary landfill technologies that conform to European and Philippine standards. The unique and fail-proof multi-barrier system enables complete containment and control of disposed waste within the pit. There is also a systematic waste acceptance and procedures implemented inside the waste disposal facilities. Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation utilizes separate collection schedules. Wastes are collected and transported using garbage compactor trucks, while bin system is used for much larger waste generators. Its vehicles, however, are designed to consider road size and capacity. All waste collection vehicles must pass through the identification and the fully computerized weighbridge. The Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation landfill facility covers a total of 10.5 hectares. Now on its fourth phase of expansion, the facility is sitting on a 70 hectares of German technology with a capacity of 20 million metric tons of waste. All major components were imported from Germany, while the design, supervision, and installation were done by German engineers.
PN Engineers, which is the firm which is our partner, have built many facilities there. They're advisors to entire nations under the sponsorship of the ADB to design the waste management of developing countries, including countries like Kazakhstan, as well as the developed countries like Germany, where they originated.
Committing to a more sustainable future starts with a good hard look in our own operations. Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation is also the first to introduce the first waste-to-energy facility in Asia. Rather than escaping into the atmosphere and producing odor, gas byproduct from the landfill is recovered and burned 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is now in the process of stabilizing the system, because at Metro Clark, we think green. At Metro Clark, we make a living by what we get, and in return, we make a life by what we can also give. At the same time, Metro Clark has also generated several job opportunities for the surrounding communities. Our goal? Waste equals more opportunities. Metro Clark and its foreign partners continue to invest in improvements in modernizing its facilities to provide world-class service to its increasing clients in the country.
There are more than one methods of generating electricity from garbage, which is the ultimate ideal way to dispose of garbage. So our company we're now carefully considering what would be the best technology to adopt in order to generate electricity from the garbage that we receive.
The future of Metro Clark Waste Management Corporation is very bright as it continues to grow and expand. Bringing more innovations, the company intends to remain responsive to the needs of its clients. Because we at Metro Clark, cleaning our environment is our primary business.